Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can solve internet problem on your Infinix Smart 7. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So to solve your internet problem friends, here you have to tap on setting. When you move on setting, from here you can scroll down. After scroll down, here you can see, you can just scroll down directly. On the down you can see the system option. So here you have to tap on system. After you tap on system, here you can see the reset phone option. Click on reset phone. After that, here you can see the first option is the reset Wi-Fi setting. Click on reset Wi-Fi setting. If you have internet problem, then click on reset. After clicking on reset, your problem will be solved. Okay, if by doing these steps it doesn't solve, then what you need to do is that click on back button and click on backup to Google Drive backup. Turn on here and click on backup now. After that, click on the back button and here click on reset phone. After that, click on erase all data. Then here click on erase all data, just erase it. Okay, then your problem will be solved successfully. Okay friends, you can do like this easily. Okay, so but do not forget to backup. Here's the backup option. I will show you. Do not forget to backup. If you forgot to backup, then you will lose everything. That's why please do not forget to backup if you are trying the second option. Okay, erase all data. Okay, and friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.